For any Irish mammies that are interested in the Irish language, Irish mammies or daddies, but it's usually mammies in our Gaeilge School online communities, I'm going to show you how easy it is to get some Irish to be able to use with the kids at home every day, and it only takes 3 minutes. In this example, I'm going to use our Complete Gaeilge Guide for speaking Irish at home. We do have a smaller one as well, which is like a starter, a 6-week Gaeilge Guide, which is just a starter. I'm going to use a complete one. It gives you everything you need from morning until night to be able to speak Irish at home. And as you can see, you can scroll down and everything's divided into topics. So if I'm going to choose one for meal times first, and then I can go in and I can see all the phrases that are included in that video. The video is only 3 minutes, so I can see what would you like to eat, would you like this to eat, etc. So then I can go into that video and grab that phrase. Again, it's 3 minutes. I can scroll down to given orders at meal times, and I can learn how to say sit down, eat up, finish your breakfast, finish your lunch, etc. And again, it's only 3 minutes. So this is how our Gaeilge Guides work. So easy for mums and daddies. Our mammies always say it's just so easy to learn Irish for the home. This is the most accessible and the easiest Irish has ever been for parents to learn. Because making the language a real language at home is going to help your kids at school so much. And it's also going to make the language a real language for the kids and not just a school subject. And they're available right now. If you have any questions about them, you can just pop it below this video. Agus slán go fóill, bye for now.